Hello guys and welcome to yesterday's trade recap, and we took another banger and everything looked perfect, everything looked clean, and I took my setup exactly and I anticipated the right time and I got a good trade with a 1 to 1.8 risk to reward. So before we head on to the video, please bro, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, bro. Please, I'm begging you, bro. We are so soon to hit 250 legends before the end of June, and thank you guys. You are so amazing for doing all of the support, and I really appreciate you. If you wanna have more videos like this, just click on that subscribe button. That motivates me a lot. If I don't see any of the subscribers, I don't feel motivated. I don't feel like doing content anymore. But whenever I see someone just click subscribe, that motivates me automatically to do. There's people who are interested in my content, so I'm gonna do a video right now. So with that being said, after you click the subscribe button and the like button, let's get started into today's trade recap on why did I took this trade in the first place. So I'm going to show you now a screenshot on why did I drew this in the first place. So wait, so as you can see, this was before market opens. Like, it was a day before that trading day. I was seeing the new higher low to be created to take out the low side or the sell side liquidities before making the new higher highs and the new leg up to the upside. That will automatically, this was my pre-market analysis, pretty much pre-market analysis coming into the day, and then that's literally what happened exactly. And yeah, this is exactly, not exactly like exactly, but you got the point. And I also caught this trade on my Discord. Let me show it to you. I posted this on the Discord as well. It's 100% free Discord, by the way. If anyone's is interested to join this Discord, just go ahead, link will be down below in the description. I don't charge you with any fucking dollar. I literally post all of my trade ideas or my market ideas or trade recaps or anything. I post it in this Discord server. So like this one yesterday, I'm currently bullish on both pairs GJ and USD GPY. I entered the trade and literally informed everybody of it. And I also, okay, let me now stop fucking yapping and actually give you some fucking sauce. Why did I enter this trade? So coming into the day, I had a bullish bias. You may say, how did you get the bullish bias? So if we go into the daily time frame, we're still maintaining the bullish order flow. Okay, we're still maintaining the new higher high that being created. We also have still more generated buy side liquidity to the upside. Okay, and then if we go into the 4-hour time frame, we are also maintaining the bullish order flow. As you can see, we are in a bullish uptrend, and we just rebalance it into this 4-hour fair value gap, and now we're creating the new higher highs. Also, if you go into the hourly time frame, the same exact thing as well. We have these all generated low resistance sell side liquidity. We have these equal lows, we have these lows, we have also these London session lows and these Asian session lows, and also we have these for fair value gaps as well. So, and also on the hourly time frame, we did retrace back into this whole equilibrium zone of this move, and we also retrace back into the imbalances and the breaker blocks. Okay, and after that, literally as soon as New York session opened, we came down, we swept out all of the sell side liquidity, we rebounced from the fair value gaps, and then when I went to the 15-minute time frame, I looked for a break of structure, and that literally what happened in this exact candle. So we broke the structure to the upside right here, we changed the character, we created this breaker block, we retraced back into the breaker block, we created this 15-minute fair value gap, we retraced back into the fair value gap, and then I went to the 5-minute time frame. I went to the 5-minute time frame, and I literally, all I wanted to see is a 5-minute break of structure to the upside. Okay, this 5-minute break of structure happened, but I wanted to see more confirmation, so I said I will enter after we break above these highs. So with that, I went to the 1-minute time frame to see if we actually maintain the bullish order flow on the lower time frames. So once I went to the 1 minute time frame, on the 1 minute we retraced back into this 1 minute fair value gap, and then we broke the structure again, and then I said like I got a little bit too, like, I was waiting for the 5 minute to close. Yeah, I was waiting for the 5 minute to close. Still didn't close on the 5 minute time frame, where it traced back into this another time, this 1 minute fair value gap and all of the other confirmation. So, and as soon as we broke the structure on both on the 1 minute, and we also inversed a 1 minute fair value gap on the 1 minute, and also on the 5 minute, we did see a closer above this high. Okay, and as soon as I saw the closure, I entered just into this trade. My stop loss was obvious, very obvious, underneath these lows, and my one and only take profit was, I didn't want to set it at these, like at this yellow line, which is these 1 hour highs. I didn't want to set it like exactly, because you know I have a terrible history with TPs and stop loss. So I just put it just underneath it with a few pips, you know. Just in that, a few minutes later, like 40 minutes or 45 minutes later, I smacked full TP, and this was a very clean trade. Actually, there was zero drawdown. This was actually pretty rare. Zero drawdown. I didn't got into even a minute of drawdown, and price just flew by me, just straight into my TP. This was a very obvious trade. This was my model, like maintaining the overall trend, and then waiting for a sweep of liquidity of the lows and then of the session lows. And with that also I saw my model again created, like the fair value gap and the continuation confluence of the order blocks, not the order block, the 15-minute break of structure, and the change of character, and the maintaining of the bullish order flow. With that, scale down to the lower time frames, I found my entry point. Boom, I entered this trade. My stop loss and my take profit was at very obvious draws on liquidity. So yeah, I just found this trade, very good trade, very beautiful trade, and I smacked this trade literally to the tick. Okay, and yeah, this is it for today's trade recap. There was nothing. If you're asking for DJ, what happened on DJ? Nothing happened. Like, actually nothing happened on DJ. So yeah, this is it for today's trade recap, guys. I really hope that you guys benefit from this video. Make sure you guys like the video and subscribe if you like it. And yeah, see you soon. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out, boys. And I pretty much won't trade today. I'm saying today because this was the trade recap, or a recap of yesterday, because yesterday I couldn't do the recording of the video. So today is actually the funds rate cut, the funds rate decision, and we have FOMC decision, and not FOMC decision, FOMC conference, and we also had CPI on today's morning on GBP pairs, and employment claims on USD pairs. So today is a very volatile day. I won't be trading. Pretty much I won't be trading. I won't be taking like a huge risk right today, and also today I didn't saw any setup playing out, so I'll be waiting patiently. If I don't see my setup, it is what it is. I'm not gonna force anything. If I see my setup, I'll still be like careful about taking a trade, because today is a very, very, very high impact news day, and it is like out of my rules. Like, my rules say that I don't need to trade days with a red folder, like today's, like FOMC, CPI, employment claims, all of those high impact news. I don't actually trade high impact news. So yeah, this is it for my today's trade recap buys. Trade recap, and I really hope you guys benefit from this video. Make sure you guys like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, boys.